If equipped, blind spot monitoring warns you when other drivers enter a blind spot zone from the rear, front, or side. The zones cover about 1 lane on either side, starting at the outside mirrors and extending beyond the rear bumper. If an object enters the zone, the BSM light will appear in the corresponding outside mirror. A warning will also be issued if a vehicle enters the rear detection zone from behind. Please keep in mind, your touchscreen may call this feature Blind Spot Alert. Always keep the taillights clear of dirt, snow, other debris, or foreign objects. Active lane management maintains your position within the lane boundaries. When both lane markings are detected and you approach the lane marker with no turn signal applied, the ALM system provides a visual warning in the instrument cluster and a steering assist torque to prompt the driver to remain within the lane boundaries. If you continue to drift, the visual and torque warnings will become more pronounced. If you approach a lane marker with the correct turn signal applied and another vehicle is detected in the blind spot zone, the system will issue a warning in the form of steering wheel vibration or steering assist. When only one lane marking is detected, ALM provides a visual warning only. The system can be turned on or off with a switch below the radio. The rear cross path feature helps you back out of parking spaces where your view of oncoming vehicles may be blocked. Proceed slowly and cautiously out of the parking space. Once the RCP system has a clear view of the cross traffic, it will alert you of oncoming vehicles that enter the detection zones at slower speeds. As always, use caution and avoid distractions when backing up. The forward collision warning system can warn you about potential front-end collisions. When a forward collision is probable, the system delivers audible and visual warnings and a possible brake jerk warning. If the driver doesn't take action, the system can provide limited braking. Other objects like guardrails or signposts may trigger these warnings, especially when driving on a curve. You can turn FCW on or off and adjust the sensitivity in your touchscreen. Pedestrian Emergency Braking is part of FCW. It provides audible and visual warnings and may apply automatic braking when a collision with a pedestrian is detected. If PEB stops the vehicle completely, the system will hold the vehicle at a standstill for 2 seconds and then release the brakes. PEB can be turned on or off in the Uconnect display. Remember, these systems are not designed to avoid collisions on their own and can't detect every possible type of collision. The driver has the responsibility to avoid a collision by braking and steering. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.